Hello my sis and bros. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial video. Today I just wanted to do a glitter tutorial for you all, and I'm just want to hop right into the video. I'm going to start off by priming my lids with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I just tapped that in, and then for my eyeshadow palettes today I'm going to be using all of Juvia's Place palette. I really love those palettes. I'm going to start off by using that yellow shade. I'm sure y'all want to know what kind it is. I'm using the Zulu, the Festival, and the Saharan palette. Those are the three palettes that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using that red and that brown shade. I'm going to mix them together. I did a lot of mixing of shadows and glitters and colors today, y'all. So it really turned out really beautifully, as you can see on the other side of my eye. But I can't wait to the end. You all make sure you stay tuned for the entire video so you can see how it turned out in that low lighting. It just turned out super beautifully. But I'm just going to blend that eyeshadow in, and then I'm going to take this orange eyeshadow right here. I'm going to dip my brush into that, and then I'm just going to blend those two shadows in together, that yellow with that reddish brown that I mixed. It had burgundy in the palette as well, but the burgundy just wasn't pigmented enough for me, so I find that mixing the red and the brown, it turned out real nice for me. So next, what I did was I just went in between those shades, and I just went back and forth to get that very gradient effect, that brown to yellow effect, reddish thingy kind of color. I just went back and forth between those eyeshadow palettes, and then I'm going back in with my P. Louise shade, and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going to use this white liquid liner that I do not recommend. I do not recommend this, y'all. I got this white eyeliner from the beauty supply store. It was really cheap, but I had to do like 16,000 layers of it. Like, no ma'am. And then it started cracking, y'all. Like, it's just so terrible. I really want to go get the NYX, and I'm going to go get it. I'm going to go get the NYX eyeliner. Somebody told me they didn't really recommend that one either, but I'm sure it's better than this because I had to put like 15 layers of it on. And after I lined my cut crease with that white liquid liner, I went in with some more P. Louise base, and then I just cleaned up that liquid liner. I went back in with my Zulu palette, or one of those Juvia's Place palettes, and I used some light goldish eyeshadow color for my inner corners. And then I'm going to take this other palette. I'm going to use like this rose gold color, and then I'm going to use that for my middle section color, and I'm just going to pat that color in until I get the type of pigmentation that I like. So I got these glitters from Amazon. I actually mixed them, so I can't really tell y'all like, oh, this is the color or this is the glitter in Julala. Like, I didn't you know I didn't order it from a makeup company. I mixed these colors. I ordered it from Amazon though, so you can just mix up and play with some colors, play with some glitters till you get the type of color you want. I first used some different shades of gold that I had, and then I went in and used some different shade of peach and some red pieces of chunky glitter. I primed my lids with some glitter that I got from the beauty supply store. That helped the glitter to stick, and I just patted it in with my brush. Y'all don't know the struggle until you try to put on some chunky glitter with these tweezers, honey. For the life of me, I couldn't get this glitter to stay on, or not even to stay on, but just to get it on my eyelids. I had to put on like 10 layers of the glitter adhesive too for it to stay. But once I did, it turned out nice. And I went in with some NYC Liquid liner. It's my favorite liquid liner, y'all. I use it in all of my videos. And after I line my lids, this is pretty much the finished look of my eyes. The next part of the video I'm going to pretty much rush through because I really wanted this video to be much so more about my eyes. For my foundation today, I am going to use Nars. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Maybeline Fit Me Concealer. I know y'all probably like, why are you using drugstore with some high price foundation? Like, girl, because I can do that. It's like what I do. I actually liked it the way it turned out too, because I practiced doing this look and I used some like affordable concealer with some high price foundation, and it turned out really beautifully, especially because, sis, I'm not even going nowhere. So I was really mad that I used my expensive foundation and I just ended up wiping it right off. But for the sake of y'all, I decided to use it. I was going to use my Tarte, but no ma'am, honey, I'm just going to say that for a little later when I actually have something to do. But yes, guys, I'll be back once I'm done with my foundation. I will list all the products that I use in the description box below, and if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I answer all questions. So we are finally completing this look with some NYX Liquid lipstick. I do not know the name of this lipstick. Like I said, I'm going to list everything down below in the description box, and if you all have any questions, feel free to ask your girl. But this is the finished look. Oh my god, y'all, like I ain't ever filmed a makeup tutorial and used the back camera of my phone. I seen Beauty by Melissa and Shirley Beats do it on Instagram. If y'all don't know of them, this look was actually inspired by Shirley Beats, y'all. They are some bomb makeup artists. Follow them on Instagram, y'all. But I got this, you know, technique from them, and oh my god, like my makeup just looks so beautiful, like Quoia, like oh my god, girl. But let me stop being ratchet. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this video. Not subscribe to the video, Lord. Subscribe to my channel. If you love me, if you support me, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Quoia_Renae. And I hope you all tune into part 2 of my video where I'm actually going to be slaying my hair. I want to put some curls in this hair, honey. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. I love y'all. Bye.